Now, as Rahul Gandhi flags off the Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra from Manipur, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has skipped the Yatra event. My colleague Nyamika is joining us from Manipur with the details. Nyamika, any reasoning being given by the Congress party for Priyanka Gandhi Vadra to skip the event?
Well, as per now, no official reason has been given that why Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is not being present here for this launch event of Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra, which was currently underway. As just in a few minutes from now, Rahul Gandhi is going to start this Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra. As Priyanka Gandhi Vadra was not being present here during the launch event, and it is being informed to us by our sources that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is currently not in the country, and that is the reason why she hadn't come to attend this mega event which is being planned by the Congress party for the start of Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra, as it is going to begin from the state of Manipur, as many of the senior Congress leaders, including the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and many of the veteran Congress leaders as Digvijay Singh, Anand Sharma and Jairam Ramesh, and many other leaders are also being present here. Even the chief ministers are also being present here, but it is being said that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra couldn't be able to attend this launch event of Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra. However, I would also like to mention here that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra had made a tweet in which she had showed the video of the song of Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra. She had also mentioned that this yatra is going to begin from today onwards from the state of Manipur. So she has mentioned about this yatra in her tweet, but she was not being present here on the stage when this Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra was getting launched.
Okay, all right. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra conspicuous by her absence. Speculations that she is not in the country, Nyamika, like you mentioned. But Rahul Gandhi did speak at the event as well, where he said that when it was being decided that the Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra would be launched, he was insistent that it should begin from Manipur. Take us through the highlights of what he said, because he spoke about the alleged injustice that the people of Manipur have been going through.
Well, absolutely. As from today onwards, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi is going to begin this Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra. As currently this yatra is going to start from the state of Manipur, and Rahul Gandhi in his speech has mentioned it very clearly that it was his idea. He was quite adamant that this yatra must start from the state of Manipur, because he mentioned that from the past 8 months there is so much of violence that had taken place in the state of Manipur, and there is an attempt which was being made to spread hatred amongst the people of Manipur, and that is the reason why it was very much necessary that the Congress party should start this yatra from Manipur, because Rahul Gandhi has mentioned that as the Lok Sabha elections are coming in and we cannot do a Pad Yatra, and that is the reason why this proposal was being made to take out a bus yatra. But it was his idea, it was Rahul Gandhi's idea to start this yatra from the state of Manipur, because he has also made an attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He said that he can visit to other states. He went to some other states for campaigning, but no one had come here for wiping the tears of the people of Manipur. He also mentioned and criticized BJP as well as RSS by saying that it seems like BJP, RSS as well as Prime Minister Narendra Modi doesn't believe that Manipur is a part of India.
Okay, all right. 100 Lok Sabha seats across 15 states, over 6,500 kilometers. The yatra begins today. Nyamika, thank you for joining us with those details. We'll come back to you for those updates. Quick break now. We'll be right back.